one in. I'm going to try this one out first. So this is what we call a photographic screen using this blue stuff. Okay? It's a way of using a stencil. If I wanted to do that method again, I'd have to cut out the paper again, wouldn't I? Yeah? If I do it this way, it means, I think I did this, say, 2 years ago, the first time, but I've still got the screens, and I am going to do another colour version this time for my daughters. So I'm going to use a different colour. So I'm going to use this orange for this one. It is a bit like cello, isn't it? Okay, so again, where's my assistant? You've got it on there? Good. Got my next one.
How many are we going to
Oops. So you see how simple and quick it is? Okay. So, and I haven't measured this up because they're still wet. What I now need to do is to try and put the orange on top of that. Okay? Now, I would have worked out exactly where the frame should go, but I can't do it that way. Let's have a look, see if it works. I can do it by eye. So I don't think the paper will get to the bottom of it. Okay, Ocean, could you just hold that? Yeah, actually, just hold that. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Tox, could you just take that board away, please? Okay, Ocean, can you hold that? Okay, just hold it over this paper in case it drips. So I'm just doing this by eye. Okay, so I'm going to put that on top of that. I know it's wet and I'm probably going to make a mess. Just put it there. See how it's missed a bit? But then that's the idea. Okay? So can you put it back down? We'll leave that one out because I'm going to do another one. Who's going to look after that for me? Tanya. Okay? The other thing you must do is put an apron on, and I haven't today. So I'm just going to print another one of this just by itself. Could you hold the frame for me, Ossie? Okay, and so you see it just works by itself. So I can, as I've done over here, you could just print it on different coloured paper. Can that go on the rack, please? Just put the thing down. Okay, and it's a good job I've got Mr. Tops. So let's say we wouldn't do all these colours at the same time, unless I was in a big rush. So thank you, Mr. Tops, you're a very kind man. And then the last thing would be, if I wanted to, would to put more detail on the black and white. So let's see how that looks like by itself. Okay. Wynne, just be careful there, please, because I've got the...
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Ocean, can you hold that? So again, so that comes out. Okay. Wynne, could you push a piece of white paper across?
Oh.
Keep going, keep pushing, keep pushing. Mr. Wynne forgot to put an apron on. Good job I'm wearing blue. Okay?
There's 3 winters of
Okay, we put that there. So they're quite interesting by themselves, aren't they? And then, Tanya, can you pass me that one? Again, I'm not sure how accurate this is going to be. So really carefully to make it really accurate. But as Andy Warhol did it, he made them look quite interesting when they didn't exactly match, right? So let's see how our Wendy turns out. Okay. So they get the idea. So that very simply, I think, just to show you what's involved, we won't be able to do this, okay, if you stay doing our old, for example, I'm going to be doing this with year 12 next week, and they'll do everything like this. You're going to use a different method when you use printing, but I just wanted to show you how Andy Warhol did it. And in particular, you know, when we're talking about the dots and stuff, he used newspaper photographs. And so they were already in dots like this. So newspaper photographs were perfect to use in this way. See what I mean?
No.
Okay.
No.
Any questions? Right. What I'd like you to do, please, go back to your places and can you write down silk screen printing? It's in green on my whiteboard. And then write a few words down, please, if you need to. I'm sorry you've got all the washing up to do, Mr. Tom. So you might want to, in a straight line, maybe go use the spray booth, you know, the print room, so get them nice and clean, yeah? So with silkscreen printing, doing it is really quick, but getting all the stuff ready and clearing up takes a bit longer, okay? And I feel very spoilt today because I'm like Mr.